Performance. Solid, if unspectacular performance. Doesn't suffer from overheating issues. Sony's Xperia Z3 Compact had some impressive performance, but the Xperia Z3 Plus sullied the name with some horrendous overheating issues. The surprising thing is that Sony kept the same processor from the Xperia Z3 Plus, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 810 with 3GB of RAM, inside the Xperia Z5 Compact. Consequently, my expectations were low. I went into this review with trepidation that the phone would crash out at the simplest tasks, but I've been rather surprised. I've not had any issues with the Xperia Z5 Compact, and it doesn't get anywhere near as warm as the Xperia Z5. Jumping in and out, from app to app mostly proved fine. The camera took a while to boot up, and switching over to the gallery app within the camera was also slow. Despite this, there haven't been any truly infuriating issues with Z5 Compact's performance, and overall I'm impressed, especially compared to the Xperia Z3 Plus. When gaming, the phone handled itself rather well, booting up quickly and not heating up much even after over an hour of playing. And while the Xperia Z3 Plus would heat up considerably just from web browsing, the Xperia Z5 Compact was cool even after half an hour of use. I ran the phone through the Geekbench 3 software and it came out with an average single-core score of 1,374 and a multi-core score of 3,881. Compared to the Xperia Z3 Compact, that's a staggering score. The previous phone only scored 949 on single-core and the multi-core test brought out 2,760. That's an impressive upgrade considering the Z3 Compact phone only came out a year ago. However, it's difficult to rank the Z5 Compact against the competition because there isn't really anything else in the premium compact niche. The Xperia Z5 is a little faster itself, coming in with scores of 1,312 single-core and 4,015 multi-core.